Do everybody beans do jumping jacks like that?
I hope so.
If your beans ain't doing jumping jacks, it ain't gonna knock you back, baby.
That's my new wrist. Stay in the kitchen, I water with. All she do is complain, I don't know her name. Bando, I got white in the Mary Jane. Bitch, you garbage. Bet that I was starving. Run up on my niggas, I'ma hit you with that club.
What's Gucci, people? It's your boy Chefboyeazy. I'm with my queen, and today we about to do some fire red beans and rice Neworleans style, you heard me? I'm about to go ahead and show you all the ingredients. You got something you want to say, baby? I seen you saying something, Kelly. What you about to say?
Beautiful queen mommy.
Oh, all right. As you see, we got the food right here. My wife gonna kind of give y'all a vivid description of what it is, but she got the beans and everything, but I'm about to go ahead and get into that. I told y'all we about to show the ingredients. My wife about to explain to y'all what everything we got right here. So go ahead and let them know what we got, you heard me?
We have the chameleon Neworleans style red beans.
All right.
We have the seasoning blend, the Trinity, with the bell peppers, onions, celery, parsley, smoked neck bone,
Okay.
smoked sausage,
Okay.
Tony Satchel.
Is these sauces cooked already?
No.
They ain't cooked, all right. Can't
Tony
go.
Satchel, minced garlic,
All right.
black pepper, and garlic salt.
Okay, you got that. And of course, I told you, you got to have the alligator holding the Jack Daniels. If you don't have this alligator with the Jack Daniels, the red beans ain't going to taste fire, you heard me? So you got to have all these ingredients right here. We're going to show you how to put them up, whip them up, flip them up, and put them in the pot, you heard me? All right, so my wife about to go ahead and put these beans on this big old bowl. And what you do, separate them? She just sort them out to get the little stuff like that out of there. She checking to make sure ain't no dinosaur eggs in there. Look at that one. You want that one out too, Kelly? Okay. So for some reason my little camera, you heard me, acting up, so I'm gonna have to talk a little loud so y'all can hear me. So she just looking for the ugly duckling beans. You take them out to make sure you don't have like none of the, ones that look deformed. Or, let me see one like that right there. So you just go through all 20,000 of them. Baby, how many beans right here, Kelly? How many you think, Kelly? 100 of them. How many you think, man? A pound. So how many is a pound? What you think?
454 grams.
Girl, I don't know what that is. How many beans is that, Paris? 5. Oh. So this is just the process right here, just to show y'all how she kind of go through them and sort them out. Almost like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory when they go through the nuts and make sure ain't no bad nut. So that's what she's doing. So now she about to go ahead and wash them all. And we don't have to really show you how to wash them all, but she about to wash them all and get them clean and everything like that and put them in the pot. So we about to jump to the next step. Gucci.
Okay, dip, pistol best friend from my hip. Dip, pistol best friend from my hip.
May I flex, hey, I brought out them racks like 30 grand around my neck. Hey, I just got
The
it.
water pre-balled already. How long you been balling it, babe?
About 30 minutes.
She been balling the water for about 30 minutes. She got her beans over there. Got the steam coming out. She about to go ahead and put it in there. So this is how you do it. Got my kids all around too, you heard me? So she gonna just put all the beans in there. How long you normally let them set though? She don't soak them that long.
No, I don't soak them.
Oh, she don't, huh? You
I
don't
don't
do?
soak them in general.
Okay, oh, she don't soak them in general. All right, so as you see, she putting every.
Speeds up the cooking time.
All right.
This is neck bone.
This the neck bone. She putting in there dinosaur bones. So they on there. She got the Trinity that's in here that she about to put in there. Trinity is the seasoned mix. You can find that at H-E-B, Walmart, Costco's, whatever. My son over here cutting on the other stove. I'm gonna cut these off real fast. As you see, I'm trying to keep it as still as possible so you can see. And as you see how much water she got in there, it's almost at the top. But it's gonna cook down, so it's gonna, I think it's like simmer. So it's gonna simmer. She just stirring it up, mixing it up so the Trinity and the red beans kind of together.
And I don't add any seasoning until the very end.
All right, so no seasoning to the very end, then that's when you do it, you heard me?
Because the neck bones and everything is the flavors and the seasoning.
Okay, and as you see, we got the stove on 9,000. Gotta be on 9,000. If it's on 8, it's gonna cook too slow. Gotta be 9. So we got that. What is this, minced garlic?
Minced garlic, maybe
Okay, she got the minced garlic
On the knife.
on the knife, on half a knife.
Yeah, about 2.
So about a half a knife, you hear me? If it was a dagger, what you think it'd be? Half a dagger? Half a dagger. Put that in there right there. That's the last step on that?
Yeah.
All right, so as you see, we got that right there. She gonna stir it up. You can see the water is almost all the way at the top. And that was 1 pound of beans. She got, it's a regular size pot. A half a bag of the Trinity.
And the Trinity bag was a pound.
Okay, and the Trinity bag was a pound as well. So we're gonna let this sit for about 5 days. I'm just joking. We're gonna let this sit for a little while. About how long?
Once it starts boiling, coming to a boil, I say about, since the water was already boiling, I'll come back in like the next 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes.
Until the water will cook down and get into the beans.
All right. Yeah. But how we forget rice with red beans and rice?
I know. Sorry.
So of course, if you make it red beans and rice, you gotta have the rice. We got the long grain rice. You heard me. Dinosaur eggs in the middle.
Parboiled.
Okay, so you gotta be parboiled rice.
Long grain Zatarain.
All right. So we about to go ahead. As you see, it's Thanksgiving time, so we got the food back there as well. She about to go ahead and fry the sausage up. The pan is on 9,000. Oh, it's smoking. You got the pan smoking back there. So this is gonna be for the sausage. She gonna fry them up real fast. Right now, as we washing off the rice, we wash off everything: chicken, meat, ribs, whatever. So you're gonna wash off the rice. This or what?
All the extra starch.
All right, so you got the starch that's in the rice, and what you do is when you wash it, we don't want that in the red beans, so we washing it off.
No, it's not gonna be in the red beans.
So that we washing it off so it don't get in it, huh? Oh yeah,
No,
matter of fact, it ain't even cooked in the red beans.
No, this is just the extra starch that's coming up.
All right, gotcha.
My mother-in-law taught me this.
Oh, her mother-in-law taught her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So she just cleaning it, getting that off
gonna do
until it
this
ain't
about-
milky no more.
Yeah, about 4 times.
So
No, it's still gonna be
It's
milky.
gonna still be milky a little
It's
bit.
not gonna be as much starch.
Okay, gotcha. It look like milky now. Don't add milk to your rice.
No, please don't.
All right.
So I'm cooking the sausage now to get any extra fat out of the sausage. So your red beans won't get greasy.
All right.
So all of this is the grease from the sausage, and we're gonna pour this out. We're just gonna do like the cooked sausage.
So how long you gotta cook the sausage?
Until all of them are brown.
Okay, brown them like my
Yeah.
skin. All right.
Mother-in-law taught me that too.
She teaching you everything.
Yeah, I didn't know how to cook.
Dang. She taught you how to cook rice too?
Yeah.
Okay, a little bit of everything. As you see the beans over here. Woo-hoo! It's going down, it's going down.
So we're gonna continue to let that brown.
Brown like my skin. So just wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, just brown it off. Beans over here flipping.
Just to get the like enough fat.
Do everybody beans do jumping jacks like that?
I hope so. If they be
If your beans ain't doing jumping jacks, it ain't gonna knock you back, baby. She got them jumping jack beans. All right, as you see, we got the sausage. This is what it looks like when you finish with it. You want it to be brown just like that. You see the grease, it creates its own fat and grease. So we about to go ahead and dump that. We'll put the sausage right here. I mean, if you want to make fire red beans at home, this is the best recipe step by step, you heard me, that you could follow. I want y'all to actually go and try this. Comment below and let us know if it's good. I know it's gonna be good, so I'm expecting you to comment it's good. But like I said, I want y'all to try it. Baby, what you think? You think they should try this at home? What you think, Kelly? Yes? Y'all should try this at home and let us know. Smash that like button as well and subscribe. As you see, the red beans have been in here cooking for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. You see how much water was in there? You see how much is gone now. So right now we just letting it simmer more, letting the red beans cook a little bit more. We got the meats in there. Did we put the sausage in yet? The sausage not in there yet. The sausage is done. After we finish with the sausage, we normally just put it on the plate, put it in the microwave, or put it on the stove and just cover it up or something like that. So get a handful of them on the spoon real fast, just so we can show a little close up. That's what the red beans is looking like after 1 hour and 30 minutes. They are not done yet. We're gonna just let them simmer.
Oh boy.
As you see, we are 2 feet further down. We're gonna play that game 2 feet further down. So right now, as you see, we whipping it. She about to add the sausage in there. We probably got about another, hour? About another hour, and these red beans will be good to go. So as you see the sausage right here, fully cooked. She about to add them in there. You don't need to reheat the sauces as well. You don't need to do that. Just throw them right in the pot. You see, she gonna stir them up a little bit. As you can see, the water is actually turning a red. It's turning like more red than it was before because it's kind of simmering down and it's kind of separating from all that water that was in there. So all the juices and everything like that. So now she's about to add black pepper. She's about to sprinkle a little bit in there. What was that, about a teaspoon? About a teaspoon? A teaspoon. And then we got a little garlic salt as well. As you see now, since all the water is finally out of the pot, not all of it, but majority of it, now we adding the spices, because if we would have did that with all the water in there, it would have took too much, spices to kind of make it spiced up. So as you see, we got the Tony Satchers right here as well. We're about to put that. You can use any type of seasoning, but if you want to make it just like this, use this. Make sure you got the alligator as well. So she adding all her spices now. Now that color about to start whipping. It's about to start turning more red. Add to simmer down a little bit more. What we on, about 2 hours? So about another hour, and you won't see as much water anymore. In about an hour, you'll see more red beans, the sausage, and all the rest of the meats and the seasoning there. So I just wanted to show y'all. Go ahead and get a little full, get one with sausage on. Oh, but show that big old dinosaur in there. Yeah, show that dinosaur. Ooh. So I want y'all to stay tuned. We almost done. The bus waits for nobody.
After 14
hours of cooking and watching my wife put her foot in this pot 6 or 7 times, this is what you get, baby. The real sauce boss. Chefboyeazy and Miss Queen over here. You heard me? So as you see my queen and whip these things up, it ain't 14 hours, it's just a joke. It's been about 4 hours and we finally done. So I just wanted to show y'all what the pot look like. It's still gonna simmer down some, but I'm about to show y'all the bowl, the main presentation. Are y'all ready for this? Let me show you this. This is the final deal. This is hot. It's hot. As you see it, just kind of want to show y'all to it. You see the juice is on this side. You got your green onions. You got your rice in the middle with your sausage. I'm going to just show you how to eat this thing right here. Grab a little bit of the rice, add it with the sausage, just like that. And as we say in New Orleans, and maybe in French in Paris, bon appetit, baby. Oh, my son see me eating this, so he's making noise to get a little bit. Son, it's for grown-ups. Got a little whiskey in it. As you see this thing, I'm talking delicious. Wanted to show y'all that. More videos coming soon. Gotta say this for the presentation, for the thumbnail. Till then, lock it in, keep it Gucci, baby. Thank you, baby. You did a good job.